नमस्कार, गुड मॉर्निंग, वंदे मातरम, भारत माता की जय. This is Dharmendra Puri, faculty in Bajaj Public School. Dear friends, dear children, respected guardians, and worthy people. Once again, I'm before you because I want to put my opinion about two applications, Arogya Setu app and Ayush Kavach app here. Dear friends, do you know why there is a focus to install these two applications? I just share here about the importance of these two applications. Actually, Arogya Setu app and Ayush Kavach are the measures, technical measures to fight against coronavirus. As you are aware, that our country is passing through the emergency situation. The pandemic situation is there and everybody is concerned about this. That's why there are two measures only to fight against this pandemic. First is hygienic, second is technical. You know about hygienic measures like washing hands, like covering mouths, like maintaining social distance. So many are there. But together with technical measures are also essential and necessary. We can take technical measures to fight against this. That's why government is focusing that everyone should install these two applications. These applications help us a lot to navigate such areas where COVID patients are found. As soon as we come under the range of such areas where COVID patients are found, definitely we receive a message through the Bluetooth device and we can easily make ourselves alert and aware to fight against this. So dear friends, be aware, and this is my personal appeal to all of you. Being a teacher, this is my appeal. Being a citizen of India, this is my appeal to all of you. Please install these two applications because you can be one of those corona warriors who are fighting against this pandemic without caring their lives, and they are away from their families and they are rendering their services without any cause. So dear friends, you can also be the part of this noble cause, this noble battle against coronavirus, and be the part of this battle. Just follow all the guidelines of Ayush Mantralaya as well as Government of India. Dear friends, I would like to share here two lines. जला हो जो विश्वास का दीपक, तो हवाओं को भी तेवर बदलने होंगे. हो यदि विश्वास आपके हौसलों में, तो तूफानों को भी रास्ते बदलने होंगे. So dear friends, you know well that there is no remedy of coronavirus found till now. Only precaution is the remedy. So it is better to be safe than sorry. So I think that you all will follow the guidelines of Ayush Mantralaya. Be mentally fit, physically strong, do yoga, do meditation, take care of yourself, boost up your energy, boost up your immunity, boost up your defense power of your body. Stay safe, stay healthy. If you are safe, naturally the nation will be safe. So many people have a dream to join defense services of the nation and to serve going on the front lines of the nation. Now the time has come. You can be the great fighter against corona disease, which has become the cause of concern for the nation. So, being the citizen of India, this is once again my appeal to all of you. Please install Arogya Setu application and Ayush Kavach. Arogya Setu has been launched by central government and Ayush Kavach has been launched by UP government. I hope you'll follow these suggestions. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.